Hi, I'm Lisa, one of the Live Lagom leaders here at IKEA. With the winter months approaching, when it gets colder, wet and windy outside, there's no better place to be than cosy and warm in your own home without having to worry about your energy bills. At IKEA, we offer a wide range of products which are affordable and sustainable. They can help you stay cozier at home and also save you money on your bills. These products include our textiles such as rugs, throws, curtains and blinds, and also our smart lighting solutions as well. Today on this video I will be showing you how to make a draft excluder, which is a fun activity you can do with the whole family, and it's also a way to reuse your old materials and stuff you already have at home. To make a draft excluder, all you need is a needle and thread, scissors, material measured to the width of your door or window, and stuffing for the inside as well. Once you have all the things you need, it's time to get creative. First of all, you want to measure your material to fit the door or window you want to use the draft excluder for. You can either hold the material up against your door or window to get the correct sizing, or you can use a measuring tape. I would add around 3 inches in length so you have room to sew both ends later on. Once measured, cut your material to size, turn it inside out, and then sew one short end and one long end. This is a great family activity as anyone can do it, even if you are new to sewing. So don't worry if your stitches are a little wonky, as you won't be able to tell later on once it's finished. Once sewn, turn it back round the right way, and using the open end, you can now stuff your draft excluder with any type of material, such as old clothes, old pillows and any own textiles. Once stuffed, you can either sew up the other end, or a child-friendly version is to cut the ends to create fringes and tie these fringes to each other to close the open end, just like this. Now that we've made our draft excluder, we can put it by the drafty door or window, turn the thermostat down 1 degree, put on your throw and have a cup of tea. Sit back and relax, knowing that you've been kinder to your pocket and the planet. Thanks for watching, and please share your draft excluder photos across social media using #LiveLagom, #IKEA@mine, #CozyHomes and @IKEA UK. You can also join the Live Lagom community by searching IKEA Live Lagom on Facebook. Together we can make a difference.